All right. Hello, everybody. I am going to be going over some ComfyUI here. I'm pretty new at it. So, yep, that's basically what this is going to be about. If you need to install ComfyUI, there is an installer. It is going to be, oh, and then you could just go to ComfyUI, and then you could follow the instructions right here. You're going to want to go to the GitHub. I just want to see, I think you could do it through that as well. And then the GitHub is going to then guide you to the installation of ComfyUI. If you're a Windows user, you're going to follow these instructions. And you're going to then you're going to be able to get a Windows portable, I believe. I broke this one, but basically we're going to be working in this environment, ComfyUI. So let's see, Juggernaut is the one I had before. So what you want to do is you want to go to this location. All right, and then you're going to be able to install it. I already have it installed, so might not be the most helpful with that because it's going to be installed on my computer with it, but I go over it really quickly. So you can go to the GitHub here. If you type in ComfyUI into Google, just go to the GitHub location. It's going to be right here. It's going to be after, usually you have some sponsored ads, but you can go here, or I believe you can go to comfyui.org and get started. This might be an easier way, but install from the GitHub or just download. I believe I did this one because I have an NVIDIA card, and then you're going to want to have an NVIDIA card. And you're going to want to, there's probably ways to do it without the NVIDIA card, but this one's going to be specifically for an NVIDIA card. So I'm going to be trying to do this example here, but what we want to do is get that downloaded as well. So once you have it downloaded, ComfyUI, you'll see a image like this. This is basically a workflow that somebody already had created. Creates this smiling girl and uses Juggernaut. So we're going to be doing like a similar thing to this. I'm just trying to get more understanding of all the different nodes and how to. I want to make this a lot better. I want to be able to like put a hat on this person or make her frown, and like I know I could do that with the prompt, but I think that there's going to be ways to like have it multi-pictured. But we'll go into that. Another location you're going to want to check out is CivitAI.com. This is going to be where you can get your models and your workflows, plus information on how to do ComfyUI. Basically, ComfyUI is going to be a local way of constructing images using nodes, which the nodes will have safe tensor, which is going to be your model that is going to create the image, you're going to have, I'm going to butcher these parts because I'm still learning all of it, but this is basically a negative prompt, the things you don't want. This is the positive prompt. Latent image is a image of, basically, my understanding of it is the, think of it like the, what's it called? The before the painting, you'll have a blank canvas. So this is, I believe, just having the pixels, basically having the pixels available so that it could create an image on and uses those pixels. The seed here is going to be a random image where it's going to take that and manipulate the um, picture underneath. We're going to have afterwards it picks a different image, but because of the way this is all laid out, it will create a similar image each time. Steps is going to be how many of the times it goes over itself to create a clearer image. And then the other ones, these are things that can be played with, but usually in CivitAI, it will tell you what you want to do, or what you want to, I'll show you here in a moment. But I want to do Juggernaut, and then I was going to do this, see if I could do this in painting one, because I want to know a little bit more about that. Okay. All right. So I don't know if I know how to use it. But if you go to CivitAI and you're trying to test out these models and different things, one of the things that you could do is you can go to the image and you could click on it. This will give you the seed and steps and some of the information you could put into the prompt. So I'm going to grab this information. And feel free, if you're watching this, to message me anything, or if anyone wants to jump in and, I don't know, critique what I'm doing or not, or wants to join along. I think I could send the links out. But yeah, basically I'm just going to go over trying to get this one done, and if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna probably go and find something easier to do. So I'm going to take this prompt right here. We're going to go back to our ComfyUI. I'm going to put that in this prompt. So I'll try to break this down as I'm doing it. This is going to be the positive prompt that I have, and I took in to a workflow to get this. And where did I grab that from? So this, I think, was a general, it loaded in there. And then I'm just using the models. But I'll try to see if we can go over. Message me, I guess, if you are watching this and interested. If you don't have any of this stuff, then we need to pull in a workflow. Which, if you go up here, yours might look a little different, but you could browse templates and then choose like image generation, image to image. But we're doing image generation. And then it should give you some of this. So I'm going to get the positive there, and then negative prompt, we'll just copy that. So I'm going to test, this is the old model, but I'm just going to test what it does. All right, so it creates the guy, but with this, so you can get this guidance, steps, sample. It should come out almost identical, but I need to switch the, I don't know why I copied that. So guidance, steps will go up to 40. Grab that seed. I don't know if this seed's gonna, sure. We want to do 2M, I think, CG, no, just 2M. Was it MPP? Those I don't really understand very much. I know if you work with them, they can go and it tweaks the image a bit. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go to the model that it downloaded. So you're going to download the model, and it will. I put it into the when you get ComfyUI, you can go into the folder that it is created. And you can go to ComfyUI, models, and then checkpoints. That's where you could put your safe tensors for that. But I believe LoRa's and everything are also safe tensors. So this is why you're not going to get the best kind of tutorial from me. ComfyUI is one thing that I want to know more about, but I am just learning it myself. But we can go, oh, all right. So it's got the base model here, right? But what happens if I go and what happens if I do this? So I put it in here. And let's refresh. Okay, so this is that. Let's see what that does. Anybody that's not familiar with what ComfyUI is, it's a that is not what, what the image looks like at all. It's a ability to generate images from your local system. So you could use your GPU to generate the actual image, and it doesn't. You could do this offline, and it will still work. And yeah, basically, this is ComfyUI allows you to work with nodes to manipulate different things, and you could do a ton of different stuff with this. That's why it's worth exploring. But this is not what we wanted, and I gotta try to see what I'm doing. So, all right. So I wish there was more example of this, but I'm gonna try some things to see if I can get it to work, because I don't think we want that in checkpoints. I think we want it in somewhere else. So I'm going to go back to Juggernaut. Okay, get this guy away. I get this, I might have to load it. Might be just too advanced for me. Let me Google some things. Thanks for checking out my struggle through ComfyUI. Should be interesting. I'm going to switch up my model, I think, because this guy's a little too interesting. Girl here. Forgot the negative too. No, I didn't. I copied it. Okay. Once the model runs for the first time, it should run a little quicker. Okay. Try to get a little less sultry. Great. Can't win. All right. Let's see one more time. I feel like it's going to get even more worse. Not, yeah. So anyway, all right. Let's go back here. Let's see this. So what the heck is in painting? Okay. For image loading. So I guess it's to take something and put it in the image. Okay. So we'll do this. All right, that's fine. Okay, just gonna find it. Okay, I'm sure I got some images somewhere. link or okay. Hey now. Oops. Sorry about that. Come on. Come back to me here. All right, we got that. Grouping is basically getting a sticky pad, and then if you get onto something, you can kind of sticky move it. I thought that was cool. So I figured I'd show that. And then where are we here? Okay, and then VAE encoding. Yeah. I think there's a way for me to search. How do I search? That's probably what we're doing. Searching is just, what did I just do? I don't even know. Just type. Double click. Okay. Image pixels, mask. They're the same color. Okay. There we go. Latent probably is going to take this spot. Baby. Taking a minute. Thanks for watching my little stream here. Feel free to write any comments or anything that you find that you are interested in. But I always appreciate people checking it out at least. This one's taking a little bit. Ow. What's another good one? Another good one while we wait is reroute. So if you ever need to reroute something, you can kind of have that little node there that you can organize your strings. That. I don't anticipate much of like a well done thing because it's going from a animated to a somewhat realistic. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What a waste of time. Let's see, control. Oh, what a shame. I broke it by moving it. I found that. I don't know if anyone else has found ComfyUI being a little touchy, but basically that is a waste of time. Hopefully it comes back, loads. It did last time at least. I'm not going to touch it, I promise. We'll see if it works. All right, almost done. Thanks for checking it out. Basically, I'm trying to use in-painting to construct this. In CivitAI, there was in-painting for Juggernaut, which is a model that is known to be good. I'm following off of a YouTube video. I think it comes up as like the top. Oh, tell me it's gonna break. Top like videos for ComfyUI. Very well done. But I don't have that reference right at the moment. Let me see. So this might have broken, which is something to deal with. Did I do it right? And that's theirs. Latent noise mask. Does this one have that? No. Okay, give me 1 second here. Okay, so it's either broken, stuck. It's gonna be all. What does that do? I don't want to reinstall manager. Restart. So that wasn't the way to work it. Sorry that I'm not helping anyone out with the in-painting, but I'm pretty new to it as well. So I'm just trying to learn as I go. And thanks for watching that. All right, so we know that's going to fail. Let me go to this. Okay, this was in painting, so an in painting save tensor. I'm going to do what this other one does. This one goes from it has a latent noise mask. So going to use this. And even though it's probably the same thing, delete that, and then add another node in painting, latent noise. All right, so this is what we're trying to do. We're going to come from the model, and we got our V there, right? We don't need this one anymore. That might have been my problem right there. So what in the world does this do? Okay, and then the mask comes from the mask, and then the latent comes to the samples. I think that's going to work. This is just a connector node. I thought it would make it look nicer, but it doesn't really do anything. Mask. They goes to that they. Yeah. Okay. We go back to our thing here. So I don't even know what this is going to do. It's supposed to take out an image and put an image in, and I don't think it's going to work with this character, but that's all I got for right now. So let's queue it up. Next, I'm going to see if there's a workflow out there. Probably using this completely wrong. We'll see. We'll see if it fails. Hopefully not. I might jump on to another thing if it does. Yeah, I'm not doing something right. Let's see if I can find another image. I'm going to use one of the monkeys. We're going to do two things. Restart. Okay. I'm going to load a new image. Do this. Look back at. This person's having the same problem I am. I don't understand. Oh, I get it. So it's making a So yeah, I'm not doing it right because I'm putting in like this crazy image, but it's supposed to be to block out an area and the latent image so that the cat could show up, if I'm getting that right. But let's see this workflow and make mine minimized more. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay. Saying don't do anything with this. Wait, it's doing 2 images. Maybe inpainting is not the best thing for me right now. Well, let's try this guy. Well, yeah, there's something there too. Let's see, we go there. Here we go. That's going to be the mask. Go by 2. All right, we'll give this one more shot, and then I'll end it out by doing something, one of the other models. So it reproduced it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Maybe do this. Nothing. because this image is taking over the whole image. All right, we're going to dive off of the in painting because I think that's going to be, if you want to add something directly to a painting, you're going to have a mask. And the mask could probably be drawn, but I don't know if I want to do all that at the moment. So I'm going to do a little bit more digging on that. But what we could do is we could do something else. So I want to see more here. Okay. This looks interesting. So what am I downloading? Another safe tensor. But where's it going? Probably in checkpoints. It's pretty cool that it goes to his video. But that says Flux 1. I'll probably need a Flux model to do this. So what do we do? That doesn't make any sense. Are you just taking images? What am I downloading? Okay. What was that one called? What does it say? What do I got to do? I got to get the base model right here, and this is a LoRa, right? Like that's what I understand from it. So the base model is right here. This is the load checkpoint. So that is going to be, we're going to go one of the fluxes. Hopefully that'll work. And then we're going to go to, we're going to have to move that. Okay, we're going to go like this. Oh, I could use my face. All right, so that's where that is. Some of these are probably Laura's, and these two are probably. Okay. They should show up in that thing. Boom. And then we're going to want to go like this, right? Clip. 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 And then we'll do the sword. So if you hit that little I, you can get the prompt. Control A, Control V. Then you can go to the negative prompt, copy that. Control A, Control V. Was that right? Did I get nothing? Okay. Does it want that? Okay. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, I don't have the right model. Damn it. All right, so that's going to take me a minute. I need Flux 1. So you can go into the manager, go to Model Manager, go to Fluxy. Make sure you install the right one. And go by size. So what model do I need? See, that's what should happen right here is oh, so I'm just gonna I can't just download one of them. This might not work. Oh, I know what I do. Well, it said 1D, so it's got to be this. This is going to be. No, that's the LoRa. Might take a while. Let's see. Okay. Can I download anything else while that downloads? No. Should have gone with something smaller. I apologize. Well, I can't sit there and watch that. It's the one thing that stinks. It freezes up. Oh, well, I am downloading that. Ugh. Probably should just download it from somewhere. That's where we were going to get it. Okay, so we're back here. Let's check on that. That's going to take a minute. We can see if this works, right? Need to restart it again. Halfway there. Go back and explore this, I guess. Oh, cling. Everything's cling. It really is good, but it's always cling. All right, so we should be good here. Okay. So now I should have No. Why not? What model do I need? I don't understand what else I could need. Let's see if I can find where I was with that. Oh, it was just this. Maybe it's this that isn't working. Laura. Let me just do not this, whatever this is. I'm not doing that. So we're going to restart this. I'm going to just create an image and then I'm going to call it a night. Get rid of this thing. It's been there the whole time. My apologies. All right, so this should work without this. We're going to get rid of this. Could have been that the whole time that just breaking it. I don't think so. I think it was the other thing. I'll have to play around with it. Let's go up with a good prompt. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's see if this can come up with a good one. Custom GPT I have made here to make prompts. Let's see. It's been okay. It should be a lot better. All right, so that should work, right? That's just a normal image. Nope. Oh. What? Oh, too simple. That's probably our whole reason why. Let's see. Back here. What? Darn it. All right. Well, let's see if that does anything. Probably wouldn't. I want this one to work. So dumb. Oh well. Hmm. What? All right, we're gonna save that. Oh. I'm gonna figure out all the rest of it. But I'm getting there. A kind of a familiarity of how to make an image. It's pretty sick. I like that. Save you. Make you the current. And we're not going to do that. So, all right. I am going to end this. I appreciate everybody that checked it out. Hopefully I was informative in some way. And I will try to make more of them if it is worth the time to stream it or anything. So I will end it, and thank you for watching.